How do some website developers and freelancers charge over $500 per month for only website maintenance like backup, security, and monitoring? Most agencies charge like about $100 per month on average, but a recent survey of 5,000 website agency owners in the US shows that a lot of them were charging around $500 per month. Even more interesting, 70% of their clients were e-commerce businesses making less than $50,000 per month, which means that these clients are small to medium businesses. And out of the 100 agencies offering such care plans, the average team size was only 2 people and 1 external resource like a VA. So this is a huge opportunity for recurring revenue that you can tap today, because even converting 10 small WooCommerce stores like this can mean $5,000 of monthly recurring revenue. So the first questions that came into my mind when I saw this survey was, what's the difference between a generic WordPress Care Plan, which is about $100 on average, and a $500 WooCommerce Care Plan? What are the extra services you need to provide? How do you package and then sell them to clients? So I will answer all of that and more from this survey of 5,000 agency owners and my own experience of 10 plus years. So this is the first video in this new series of how to set up premium care plans. Let's start with how do you sell premium WooCommerce backups for $100 per month. So we need to educate our clients, and for that first I need to give you some context. The fact is that a shocking number of web host and plugin backups actually fail when you need them the most. It's very normal for normal WooCommerce sites to cross 5 to 10 GBs, but most web hosts and plugins freeze at even 500 MB sites. Their servers are just not able to cope with all this load, so they either fail or slow down your site, or worse, take an incomplete backup that will not help you when you need it the most. Even if you're lucky and your slow 10 GB WooCommerce backup is actually usable, you will still get stuck during restores. Firstly, it can take hours or even days to restore these sites. And secondly, you will lose critical information because generic WordPress backups are not meant for WooCommerce. For example, you can restore your entire site's content and still lose a whole bunch of orders, which is where tools like WP Remote come in. For example, their real-time backups can quietly save all the changes on your store every few minutes. And unlike web host or other plugin backups, these real-time backups are incremental in nature, meaning two things. First, no backup will ever fail. I've literally taken 100 GB backups with them without breaking a sweat. And number two, you can restore these backups within minutes because you're just restoring changes, not the entire backup. Another super cool feature is called order recovery. Remember we talked about it earlier? So they have this feature. You can restore all of your order data as well. No other web host or plugin actually offers this. And then there's emergency connector, which is for me an ultimate trump card. Like when your site crashes or you're locked out of your WP admin, this emergency connector connects directly to your server so you can restore your site without needing WordPress to load. Basically, when you offer such WooCommerce specific high value features that provide a new level of safety and peace of mind, then you can charge WooCommerce stores much higher for something as commoditized as website backups as well. Essentially, if you want me to go deeper into this, as well as there's 3-4 more points left that people add in their care plans. So I'm going to cover that as well. If you like the video, comment below, ask me a question maybe, and that will encourage me to keep making this series. But if you're impatient like me, I've also documented my learnings into a blog, which I'll link in the description below, so you can check that out as well. All right, I'll see you in the next one.